So today I'm going to show you a Jeep which was earlier also shown to you, which was modified thoroughly. So now I plan to change the engine, which took me almost a month, and CRD was the best option because I also have a Thar earlier. So from Mahindra 550 to Thar CRD, it took me almost a month to do all this. So what I've done is I've changed the engine, I have installed air conditioning, and I have also changed the gearbox to make it compatible. And in addition, we also need to change the propeller shaft and the differential, because if you don't do that, it is going to break your 4x4 system, which happened with me also this time. Here it is, I'm going to show you the engine. Have a look. So this is a CRD engine, it is 2016 model. So most of the components are of Mahindra CRDE, barring this radiator, which I liked very much from my PGO. So as you can see, everything has been changed. Yes, it does take a lot of physical and mechanical work to be done. And mind it is not easy to install a CRD in a Peugeot because you have to change the entire wiring. You have to install ECM. So as I said, a month, and I have been driving this Jeep for almost you can say 2 months now. I've done almost 2.5 100 kilometers. So engine is perfectly fine. There is no problem right now. So I'm going to start the engine and show it to you. Please come a little closer. Everything is just amazing, and I have tried this in the speed of almost 120. The top speed I have done through very nicely. So this is one experiment which I have done, and I firmly wish that anyone who is looking forward to have a CRD engine which is very durable, very powerful, and very good at off-roading, you can try doing this. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hello everyone, you can see this engine and gear swap of MM550 to Thar CRD. This is the engine which has been installed. Here is the installation. All aspects have been taken care of. The mountings and everything have been handmade. As you can see. Everything, right from the turbo, the intercooler, the air conditioning, everything has been fixed in this particular Jeep, which was MM550 earlier. This is the intercooler and the air conditioning stuff. Now here the engine is completely fixed. This is the previous Peugeot engine, which is taken off. Now this engine was overhauled also. The ring work was done. One of the piston was not properly functioning, so that was replaced. And this is how it is doing now.